Now in this video, we're going to talk about why you should be using a bonus page. Promoting the same product by multiple affiliates creates a lot of competition and is not special to the typical customer and makes the customer want more for what they pay for. Now the reality today is that customers are bonus shopping before they decide to make their final purchase. It is true that customers are paying for the main product, but no one can afford to say no to a better offer with an extra. To come up with a really captivating bonus offer, you have to meet a few standards. It should be something that would catch the attention of your potential customers, making it special from the other bonus offers that are out there. Now, why you should be using a bonus page. First and foremost, a bonus should be relevant and must fit the original product. Say, for example, if you were selling a Photoshop tutorial and the bonus must be something in line with the original product. Since you are targeting designers as your potential customer, the bonus should be something that would help the designers, such as a design template, a tool, or any helpful thing about designing is a relevant bonus. This would show the relevance of your bonus to its main product, making the bonus itself useful to the main product. This is definitely a compelling reason for people to purchase through your affiliate link. Now, in the internet online marketing niche, you really need to make your bonus offer very special and valuable for anyone. A truly irresistible bonus offer means a great and interesting bargain. In order to do that, you will need a bonus that could be 5 times more than the worth of the main or original product that you are promoting. It's usually the very valuable bonuses that the customers are seeking out among all the other affiliates. Customers are looking for the best value for their money they are spending to develop their business. The better your bonus offer is, the more sales you can make. By making your bonus offer unique and valuable to help your customers, the more likely they are going to buy through your link. Now lastly, making your bonus rare and making it hard to find in any other place is actually a great advantage. The reason is that an exclusive bonus offer will contribute to the original product's value and making it more desirable. The simple idea is to offer your customers something that they can't find with other affiliates. In other words, be different to make your bonuses in demand and necessary. If your product would be just something very ordinary, then it would not naturally make a great conversion tool. Now remember, you are adding value to your customers and subscribers. By having fun and being unique, you will stand out from the crowd as many affiliates will be promoting the same product as you. I'm going to leave you with a final quote. Your positive action combined with positive thinking results in your success. I'll see you in the next video.